Hello, my name is Mike, and today I wanted to show you the Recent Activity tab on your Magnus Box web portal. The Recent Activity tab is a great way to keep an eye on all of your Magnus Box backup accounts and protected items to make sure that your client's devices are backing up. So back before that was a feature, you used to have to look at the center of the page and see what was going on. So you can see here I've had 67 successful backups. That's great. You want to see green in there. You don't want to see any red. But when you click in there, it only gives you the last 24 hours of backups, which that isn't always helpful, if you want to see a history. So what you can do now is you can click on the recent activity option, or the recent activity button here, and it will show you all of your protected items per device. So as you can see here, we have multiple devices being backed up on the same accounts. We have multiple protected items. And what we can do here is we can see 10 days of backup history just by looking at it. So I can see here all of our internal infrastructure has been backing up smoothly. We've had 6 backups yesterday on this device. We've had 2 here, 28 yesterday. And it looks like about 9 days ago, one of our devices wasn't backing up properly or had something happen. Now, the nice thing about this recent activities page is everything is interactive. You can click on every single thing in here. So green is good. Gray means that the job was missed. This white here where there's nothing means that there was no backup jobs at all scheduled. Red means there was an error or a warning. Now, an error is a hard stop. It means that the data could not be backed up. A warning means data was backed up, but maybe something was missed and there's something that you need to take a look at. You should check out both of those just to make sure that there's nothing serious. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these here, and I can see all the jobs that happened today. And I can even click the report and view the backup job itself, or the job history report itself. And then I can back out. Now that's pretty cool, but what's even better is that I can modify all of these right from this panel without having to leave this area, or without leaving the recent activity page. So I can click here on the protected item itself, and I can modify this specific protected item or this backup job for Dozer 3 here, which is the device that it was attached to. I can go in and modify everything about the job and save it, and it'll save it right there. It'll take me right back to the screen. And then I can also click on the device name, and it'll pull up the device's action panel, and I can run a backup, I can restore, I can update the software. I can do so much from right here. And if I wanted to go look at the user account or the backup account, I can actually click on the username itself, and it'll take me right into that backup user account. So the recent activity page is a great place. I find myself living in here every single day because I can see everything at a glance at what's going on, and I can keep up on it. So if you have any questions, or if you wanted us to help you explore the recent activity page, please feel free to reach out to our team at support@magnusbox.com. Thank you.